Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best indoor bar cart you can find, the Ohsuaniy 3-tier industrial rolling serving cart. Whether you're hosting a party, enjoying a quiet evening, or just looking to add a stylish and functional piece to your home, this bar cart checks all the boxes. Right off the bat, this bar cart stands out with its industrial design and sturdy construction. It measures 31.5 inches deep, 15.75 inches wide, and stands 35.4 inches tall, making it a compact yet spacious option for almost any room. The frame is made of high-quality alloy steel with a sleek powder-coated finish, giving it durability and a polished look. The shelves are crafted from engineered wood covered with a waterproof PVC film, blending practicality with an all-match decorative style that's easy to clean and maintain. One of the great features of this bar cart is its mobility. Equipped with 360-degree rotatable wheels, 2 of which are lockable, you can effortlessly move it from room to room and keep it securely in place when needed. This makes it perfect for indoor use but also suitable for outdoor settings like a barbecue or patio gathering. The wheels operate quietly and smoothly, so rolling it around won't disrupt your atmosphere. Storage and versatility are key with this cart. It features 3 tiers, including 2 removable trays on the top and middle levels. These trays can be taken out and used separately as serving platters, adding an extra layer of convenience. There's also a built-in wine rack and a glass holder, specifically designed to organize your beverage collection and keep everything accessible and stylishly displayed. The metal edging around the shelves serves a dual purpose. It prevents bottles and items from slipping off and adds to the cart's structural stability. The adjustable space is another highlight. You can reposition the smaller removable tray to create more vertical room on the middle shelf, making it ideal for taller items like wedding cakes, ice buckets, or a beer tower. This adaptability means the cart can serve multiple purposes beyond just holding drinks. It can also act as a food station during dinner or a buffet setup during parties. Assembly is straightforward. The instructions are detailed, and all screws fit easily into open spaces, allowing you to put it together without hassle. The entire cart weighs about 34 pounds, so it's substantial but still manageable for one person to handle. Functionally, this bar cart supports up to 300 pounds, so it's sturdy enough to hold a wide variety of items, from glassware and bottles to plates and serving utensils. The natural wood grain on the trays and shelves combined with the brown metal frame creates a warm, inviting look that fits well with industrial, rustic, or modern decor. In summary, the Ohsuaniy 3-tier industrial rolling serving cart is a reliable, versatile, and stylish bar cart designed to meet multiple needs. Its blend of durable materials, smart design features like removable trays, lockable wheels, and adjustable storage space make it an excellent addition to any home bar setup. If you want a functional cart that doesn't compromise on aesthetics, this might just be the perfect fit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.